I found Kermit the Frog. I literally found Kermit the Frog.
Oh shit, it's Kermit the Frog.
Morning, afternoon, evening, or after morning. I'm mainly digger. And in this video, I'm actually metal detecting.
Look at that random piece of metal.
I got out this weekend. I'm on the Sandy River. You might hear me refer to it as the Swift River. Both are in Maine. The Swift River is in western Maine, near Rumford, Dixfield, Mexico, up in that area. If you're familiar with the area, if you're not, just go look at the map. Western Maine, northern western Maine. I was on the Sandy River, which is in Farmington, New Sharon, that area, which is like the beginning. It's not western Maine. It is western Maine, but it's like the beginning of western Maine. Look at a map, you'll see. It's anyway. It made me realize I haven't had a lot of time to go metal detecting. I bought a new house. I sold my old house and bought a new house all in a month. Work and personal life always get in the way of metal detecting. Being an adult sucks, but I got out, and it's not like I haven't tried. I just haven't. I've hit up the same old spots, which I understand you need to give certain locations like resting time. But at any time I started to try to make a video, I wouldn't find anything. Or also, it's been extremely hot in Maine. I've given a lot of excuses in the past like minute of why not to go metal detecting, or why I haven't been going metal detecting. I've been busy. Anyway, I did get to do a video for Super Clean. Super Clean makes disgusting crusty jobs 10 times easier. Back when I was living in my old house, Super Clean contacted me and was like, hey, do you want us to send some product? Because I've done a video for them before. Do you want to, review and make a video for us, or make a video in general? Like, yeah, absolutely. But Super Clean is, yeah, it's a good time. It's a good product. That video, I'll put that video at the end of it. So you want to watch it, you don't want to watch it, it's at the end. Back to metal detecting. Getting out, it made me feel so much, and getting out and doing something new, because I love getting on the rivers, the streams. I just don't get a chance to. This is one of those spots it's just gorgeous. It was the right time of the year. That it's not too hot, it's not too cold, not too buggy, meaning I didn't have to put a lot of effort into doing anything. I just had to walk with a metal detector and dig holes. I found Kermit the Frog is what I did. I literally found Kermit the Frog, or a clay figurine Kermit. Anyway, watch the video and then dig out.
First find of the day. No idea what it is. Probably a piece of pipe, or maybe like I have no idea. Nothing really significant. It's just gorgeous out. Maine's been really hot this summer, and it's starting to turn into fall finally. I haven't got my funny hat on. But we are on the Swift River. Let me check. Oh, I didn't even have to dig that far for that one at all. I just dusted off the ground. So it's a hook, if you couldn't tell. Anyway, it's just gorgeous out here right now. And it's low. The water's low. So So I'm correcting myself. We are on the Sandy River, not the Swift River. Sandy River is in, or further to Rumford. This is Farmington area. This is gorgeous. River, it's sandy. That's why it's called the Sandy River, I think. I don't know. I'm only guessing. So I dug this up, this metal piece. Don't know what it is. It's a piece of metal. What I'm excited about is a piece of glass. There's two pieces of glass. A, I'm going to take it out of the water, you know, area where people swim or walk or do whatever. But also, I'm going to drop this for a second. It is cool looking. Like, it's been there for a while, I think. I don't know. It says 5 quarts on it, which I'm guessing it's like a milk jug, maybe. I'll check that out. And there is, I can't know that name. Can't really see it, but I think I already know it. See one better on the inside. Anyway, that's cool. Fanboying over a piece of glass. What this guy is. I mean, that's rubber right there. I try to pull it off on the bank, but it's heavier than it looks. You need someone else to do that. Anyway, I just thought it was interesting. It looks like a barrel. Definitely some type of barrel. And probably farming equipment. Who knows? So nothing to do with metal detecting. Kind of just exploring and stuff. But I came across this. And we're on the banks of the Swift River in Maine. But it's clay, and I think that's kind of cool. I think it's really cool. I'm gonna just guess it's clay from the bottom of the river, maybe. I don't know. But that's cool. Anyway. Oh shit! It's Kermit the Frog. That's really cool. Not metal, clearly. Don't know how old it is. I saw somewhere on here a maker. Not a maker's mark, but you know what I mean. Anyway, oh, there we go. Right there. It says Albany, and then I don't have to it. I just found it on the ground. Just walking. So I decided to go take a look at the bank, just randomly, because you always hear about finding arrowheads on the banks of the river, which would be cool if I found one. Haven't found one, but I found some interesting things. A shoe, the bottom of a shoe. I don't really know how to age shoe work or shoes, so it's kind of cool. Also, same area, just in this area right here, the bottom of a glass bottle. No, I just think it's cool. But this is riverbanks are the best place to find stuff, because that's where they used to throw things. So like, I need to get rid of it, so I'm going to throw this glass bottle in there. It's not going to harm anything. Anyway, fortunately for us, we can still find them today. It's a square nail. I mean, not uncommon, or unusual. I mean, or uncommon, the same thing. But I've moved to the field. There's the river's right there, the bank's right here. The bank's a little overgrown. Actually at a boat launch, so there's people trying to do their thing, boating. I don't know how they're gonna. Anyway, the water is pretty shallow. So anyway, but I found this guy right here in this field. Look at that random piece of metal, about 2 to 4 inches down. No idea what it is. Solid iron. I wouldn't say solid. It's iron. It's an iron signal. Anyway, pretty cool. Super clean makes disgusting crusty jobs 10 times easier and 10 times quicker. This is super clean. They're new. It's an aerosol spray. It's easy. You spray it on. It's mostly used for cleaning off tires, but as you can see, my new old garage door needs to be clean. There's mold, and so I figured I'd take care of it, see what I can do. Super Clean sent me this new product to try out, and I'm gonna try it out. It's gonna be awesome. So first step, remove lid. Also, these aren't instructions that are on there. I just don't know what on there. Second step, shit. Also not on there. Spray. Oh, the stuff that came off there. That is awesome. Little to no work. Spray and scrape. It's been soaking for about 5 minutes. I just want to see if it's easier to move or remove the crusty nastiness. It is. I mean, this part wasn't like butter, but the rest of it was like butter, like a hot knife through butter. Anyway. Would I recommend Super Clean as an all-around house cleaner? Absolutely. 110%. Mainly the gout.